everyone, this is Scott, and yesterday I went to the Vidalia Onion Festival Airshow in Vidalia, Georgia. I took a bunch of video and I put together a bunch of the clips. I got a little long, so I'm going to divide this into two videos. The second video will just be the Blue Angels. I had a good time. It was a great day. Traffic was a bit of a challenge, but we got in there and had a good time at the air show. Thank you and enjoy watching.
Towards the terminal building by Americans until they received the order, put the drawings on the table, and then, like I said, about 102, 115 days later, United States Navy Blue Angels to fly. Rehearsal time yesterday, and they flew so beautifully. This is the Super Hornet that they're now flying. Just received last year, and this is one of their first few shows of this year. And the decathlon that he's flying, arguably, probably the most popular aerobatic training in history. It's a descendant of the Aeronica Champ and Citabria, the decathlon, upgraded with an inverted fuel system. So Aeronica 8K decathlon, 150 horsepower only. The old barrel roll, just imagine a 55-gallon drum lying out on its side out there and RJ flying around the outside of it. And let me tell you something, this is one of the, it looks easy, I know, but it is one of the most difficult maneuvers in the air show business because you are moving every control surface constantly. Elevator, ailerons, and rudder. Constantly. A little bit. It's much more. Once again, hanging by that 5-point harness, hanging by that strap, something blood rushing to his head. This This airplane has an inverted fuel system on it, so he can keep it flying upside down. Now, here's where he really gets the negative G's as he does the outside maneuver turning the aircraft. See? Very, 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 very slow, moving it all the time. Notice entered at the same hour. Look at that knife edge pass. Well, little puffs of smoke from the Aeroshell Aerobatic Team. We're going to have some fun coming up here. Flying by the Thunderbirds, the Blue Angels, the Snowbirds, all of the other teams. Jive, been flying formation, and the L-39 and T-28s coming up very shortly. But here we go back to the World War II era. These are SNJ aircraft. Now, they are a derivative of what you know as the T. And you're going to see some fantastic flying. Loud and smoky. In the lead, Mr. Mark Henley. And they named it the SNJ, and really there's only one difference between the the slot pilot is directly beneath the tail of the lead pilot. So there you have a diamond formation. The smoke is on, and in comes the Aeroshell Aerobatic Team for a formation loop. Loud and smoky. Lots of noise, too. Arrow roll. Mark calls for the pull. Now, landing left aileron, left rudder, flying over and outside a 55-gallon drum line outside. When to take a picture. This is the downward bomb burst. Now watch. Turns to the right, starts the aircraft flying. We'll call smoke on. Up over the top, get ready. Smoke on, ready now, and take your picture. J's with opposing loops. Watch now as they cross very, very close by. Right here at show center. And the pole up over the top now. Looking over their shoulder for the other airplane to make sure they got plenty of clearance. And down the backside. Okay, that's 2 and 3. 1 and 4. Ready, ready, and snap roll. Watch how quickly they get back into formation. Louisiana and Jimmy Ford, number 4 from Monroe, Louisiana, the Aeroshell Aerobatic Team. Now watch out. He's got to add a lot more power. Now watch as they come over the top. Here he goes, sliding in there. going right in between the other two. His nose looking right up the tailpipe of Alan Henley. Now watch the now in the lead, looking for show center while they have 3 laps. Stand right. Cuban turnaround, watch up over the top. On the 45 down line, each one of them will roll to the upright. This is the half Cuban brake turnaround. And then shortly they're going to put their wheels up for landing. Watch that. And we roll to the upright, and the wheels come up. We'll see. Aeroshell Aerobatic Team. All right, gentlemen, run them up. Now you see them. Now you don't. The 1,800 horsepower of a Rolls-Royce Merlin engine in the P-51D Mustang. And Lou Horschel will be along very shortly. I'll tell you all about it.
Pilot today in Team Race 11's Jeff is originally from Lancaster, Missouri. Jive's introduction to aviation began when he was a mere 10 years old. When his dad took him to the county fair and he paid a penny a pound, 75 cents, for Jive to take his first ride in an airplane. It was in that F4 that Jive achieved his next aviation goal, and that was to become an different aircraft, including flying air shows in the L-39, MS-716, MiG-17, T-33, T-28, RV-8A, and of course, what he started flying air shows in, the F4.
That's Lou Horschel. This airplane was not ordered by the United States, it was ordered by the British. They did not have an airplane fast enough and with enough range to reach into Europe and fight Germany. So they called the United States. North American, like the P-40 Warhawk. And the British found out that it wasn't fast enough, it couldn't go high enough, and it didn't have enough range. So they took one of their engines they've been using in their bombers, a Merlin engine, stuck it on the P-51, and discovered they had created the finest airplane. Another interesting fact about this, that the Rolls-Royce Merlin engine was not built in Britain, where Rolls-Royce is located, It was contracted out and all the deep into France, and then eventually all the way to Berlin itself, with the drop tanks adding many, many gallons. 4-point hesitation roll. This model, Raymond Price and Edgar Schmood headed up the North American team that designed this thing, and then, like I said, had it built in a few days over 100. Many of infantry troops in Europe would love to hear this sound. Because they knew that the Mustangs had a lot of forward pressure on the stick. All right, that's Buck Roadman. And he is out for... And Hayden driving the car. Well, he loves to smoke. Smoke and thunder jet truck. Oh, sneaking up from behind him now. Watch this. He'll lay some smoke down right on him. And probably try to scare... Look at this. Oh. All right, Buck. All right. Oh, he's going to make some... He's going to start from here? Wow. No, he's going to go hide in the smoke. That's what he's doing. Sonic booms. George is a state trooper down there. Okay, good. All right, we got a radar gun down there. Here we go. Stand by. Let's see if this is... Oh, Buck's going to show off and do it upside down. And here we go. Oh, I think the airplane... Oh, no, maybe not. Oh. How many opted for...
miles, carrying a normal show load of 45,000 pounds of fuel, 35,000 pounds of equipment, and a specialized maintenance and support team of nearly 50 personnel.